Hi there, everybody. I just wanted to get you ready for what's happening tomorrow in creative writing. So, we're going to start our class level workshopping. So, you want to go to the discussion board and make sure that you have signed up to have your draft workshopped. So, you go to class level workshop sign up sheet and look at the available times and dates, which week. So this is next week, week 13. So that's tomorrow. And then you have week 14 and 15. And these are all the time slots that are open. You also want to look and see who signed up for what day and time. So Katie signed up for week 14, 9:40 to 10:10. Diane has signed up for week 14, 10:15 to 10:45. Andrea, week 14. Daniela, week 13. And Breezy just signed up for week 13. So we know that we should be looking for Breezy and Daniela's workshop drafts because they will have loaded them under class level workshop drafts, again, under the discussion tab. So there's two places you want to go for discussions. You want to sign up for class level workshop, and then you want to upload your draft. You want to make sure you upload it at least one day, 24 hours before class. So by Monday at class time. So class level workshopping drafts is where you will upload your draft, your fiction piece, your creative nonfiction, or your poem. And if you go back to modules, which is going to take forever because I have a million screens open. Sorry. If you go under the module for course assignments, under workshop and evaluation drafts, it'll give you the outline of what you put on that draft. So it'll tell you that you put the intentions and the concerns for class level final workshop. List your intentions and concerns. You'll put your name, contact information, email is fine. The title, the word count, and the genre. This is a poem. This is a creative nonfiction piece. This is a fiction piece, right? In the top left-hand corner. And it will be the same length as the other drafts have been for small group workshop and for formal evaluation. So it'll be 5 to 10 typewritten pages in length for fiction or creative nonfiction, or 12 lines. We agreed 14 to 16 lines is better for poetry, so we'll have more to say about it. But that's how you get yourself ready for and help the classmates get ready for class level workshop, which begins tomorrow.